Have you ever wondered how much money you could save just by changing one daily habit? What if I told you that a simple decision you make every day could potentially save you over $2,000 a year while also helping you lose weight and improve your health? Today on Fiscal Foodie, we are talking about one of the most immediate, highest return financial decisions you can make. And you could do this starting now. And that is giving up soda and switching to free tap water. Let's break down the numbers. Most people don't think twice about grabbing a soda from a convenience store, a vending machine, a gas station, or a fast food restaurant. I am certainly one of those people, and I have the pounds, unhealthy pounds, to prove it. But those small purchases add up quickly. In 2026, the average price of a single-serve soda is about $2.25. So that means if you're drinking 3 sodas per day, which I've been known to do, here's what that looks like. That's a daily cost of $6.75. Over the course of a week, it's $47.25. Per month, $202.50. And the annual cost, get this, is $2,463.75 per year. That's nearly $2,500 every year spent on soda. And that's just for the beverage. Think about that for a moment. That's enough for a vacation. It's enough to fund a Roth IRA contribution to help you retire. It's enough to buy a laptop, several months of groceries, or at least significantly boost your emergency fund for a rainy day. Now, some of you might say, well, I don't go to gas stations to buy sodas. I don't get sodas at fast food restaurants. But you might get them at the grocery store, therefore you're saving a little money. In theory, that is correct. But even if you're buying 12 packs of individual bottles or cans, the costs still add up. The average cost per can costs around 60 cents. So 3 cans per day comes out to $1.80 per day, about $55 per month, or roughly $657 per year. Now, that's true. That's cheaper than convenience store prices, and that's what you're paying for, the convenience of a fountain drink. You want that nice cold drink immediately. But you're still spending hundreds of dollars annually on a beverage that provides no nutritional value. Think about this. And again, folks, I am guilty of this too. I am addicted to soda, which I hope to correct by learning all the cons of drinking soda. And it provides no nutritional value. The only thing I can think of and come up with as to why I drink sodas is a couple of reasons. It tastes good because it's designed to taste good. And 2, social settings. Ooh, I'm at a ball game. I need a nice cold Coke or a Pepsi. I'm eating pizza. I need a soft drink with this Pepsi. Nothing goes better. Well, maybe beer. Nothing goes better with pizza than a nice cold soft drink. But it provides no nutritional value. It just tastes good. Even though you're saving money at the groceries buying sodas, it's still not worth it in the long run. There's no pros to it, really. Restaurants and fast food sodas are even worse. They have some of the highest profit margins in the food industry. Fast food restaurants, a medium or large soda now typically costs between $1.70 and $2.40. You remember when that $1 Coke at McDonald's came out? I think that's in the past. At sit-down restaurants, fountain drinks with free refills often cost between $3.25 and all the way up to $4.50. The syrup, water, and carbon dioxide cost the restaurants only pennies, but they mark it up for your convenience. You're paying for convenience, service, and overhead. Now, what happens if you switch to water? We all know to drink plenty of water. We always hear that. And it's so true. There's so many benefits to drinking water. And if you drink tap water, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It does not cost you anything to make a healthier choice when it comes to your beverage. So if you switch to tap water and you carry a usable bottle, your beverage cost drops to almost zero. Assuming your average soda habit costs you around $6 per day, you could save, just by drinking tap water, $180 per month, $2,100 per year. That's real money staying in your pocket instead of flowing through a straw, causing you all kinds of chronic health conditions potentially in the future and increasing your medical expenses. I guarantee your risk of getting high blood pressure, diabetes is vastly lower by just drinking tap water than it is drinking soda. So the health benefits of drinking tap water versus drinking soda are even more impressive. So let's talk about calories. A standard 12-ounce soda contains approximately 150 calories, 39 grams of sugar. So if you drink 3 sodas per day, that's 450 calories every day and 117 grams of sugar every day. Over time, those numbers become staggering. Compare that to drinking only water, which is good for you. You are saving or eliminating 3,100 calories per week. And that's 13,500 calories per month, 164,250 calories per year. Let that sink in. That's more than 164,000 calories annually. Every year, you are consuming that many calories in sodas alone. Now, it's important to note that roughly 3,500 calories equals 1 pound of fat. So if you're eliminated 3,100 calories or 3,150 calories each week, it's almost enough to create a 1 pound per week weight loss deficit by itself. So, of course, everybody's different, but the math demonstrates just how powerful this one habit can be, going from soda to tap water. So it's one simple decision, one free beverage. I want to emphasize free, and you save potentially over $2,000 per year. And you definitely will eliminate and avoid hundreds of thousands of calories over time. And all it requires is turning on the kitchen faucet and filling up a reusable water bottle or a glass, assuming that your city's tap water or your county's tap water is drinkable. Hopefully it is. But even if it isn't, at the gym, if you belong to a gym, you could get free water there. Libraries, there's all kinds of places you can get free healthy tap water. When I was little, we had a well. We didn't really drink our water coming out of that well. It was very hard and nasty. So we used to fill up our jugs of water at my grandmother's house to make sure we had plenty of fresh, cool, cold water that was healthy. But eliminating all those calories, eliminating the cost, that's the kind of financial and health return that a fiscal foodie loves. Small changes equals big results. So make that change. I'm going to have to make it myself from going from sodas, unhealthy sodas packed with sugar, packed with calories, and that cost quite a bit versus something that's free and healthy, and that is tap water. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Fiscal Foodie. Our mission is simple. We help you save money on food and groceries while becoming healthier in the process. Every week we'll share practical tips, money-saving strategies, grocery hacks, healthy eating ideas, and simple ways to get more value from every dollar you spend. So how many sodas do you drink a week? And if you switch to water tomorrow, how much money would you save over the next year? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next Fiscal Foodie video.